They weren't hoping anything will ever happen of my speech on Mama's ring ceremony that I'll be the best man. Right. You know, I had this in my mind for like a week now. That भाई इतने सुपर मामा है मेरे तो एटलीस्ट एक स्पीच तो बनता ही है, ठीक है. So everyone was gifting him everything. I didn't have personally anything to say about him, but he deserves a gift from myself because he's been an inspiration to me. I as a commerce student myself, no better example is there for me than him, an entrepreneur uncle who is an inspiration, who gives me confidence. Who gives me confidence of standing here and speaking itself, speaking skills, talking to people, and also my humor is totally based on him.
He doesn't want to.
All right. Arey. There is no other emotional moment than today कि अब से मैं आपके लिए ब्लैक कॉफी नहीं बनाऊंगा, अपनी कैरी के लिए नहीं बनाऊंगा, ठीक है? So many of you might. Yes, sure. So many of you might not know this that Mama stayed with us for 2 years in the whole lockdown period. कि इतना हो गया था कि मैं ब्लैक कॉफ़ी इतना बनाता था कि मेरे टू डू लिस्ट में होता था कि 2 घंटे पढ़ाई, 1 घंटे ब्रेक होता था, उसमें 15 मिनट की कॉफ़ी ब्लैक कॉफ़ी मामा के लिए. एंड देन आफ्टर दैट कोई नहीं, अच्छा है आप भी शायद कंपटीशन दे सके मेरे को ब्लैक कॉफ़ी में. एंड देन पहले ऐसा होता था कि 3-4 साल तक मिलते नहीं थे और 2 साल के लिए he stayed with me. He gave me the confidence to stand in front of people today that I am today, and like in front of the mic as well. I am pretty comfortable. Like उनके साथ लगता था कि I can do it. कि ठीक है, if he stands in front of me with a camera, I'll pose everything. I am comfortable with him in that. If someone else comes up to me, clicks a photo, I'll say no, I don't want to click a photo like that. So after that, अगर मेरे इस फ़ोन में मेरी चुनिंदा 20 फोटोज होंगी, उनमें से 15 मामा ने खींची है, which is like portraits, candid shots, everything, ठीक है? And then Mama is one of the most complete people I know, except being forgetful about his earphones and missing one piece, and then the rest one piece comes to me, my profit. But those were not as worthful. But I hope that he treasures Mami as much as anything. So yeah, बस हमारे मामा का ख्याल रखिएगा. And I'm thankful for the audience for being so kind for the not very. Very nice. God bless you, बच्चा. अभी ये शो स्टॉपर है.
God bless you. रखूंगी.
थोड़ा सरप्राइज दे.
Very nice. Very nice.
Another thing. I have a poem for you.
Yeah.
Your pretty relationship is something to admire. You keep setting the couple goals higher and higher.
Up to sky also good.
Good. Thank you.
So sweet.
चलो.